Homeowners can feel uneasy about inspecting their home's crawl space. I know it can be a little intimidating. Stay tuned as I help you be more prepared to tackle your crawl space inspection. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Venturing into your crawl space may not be the most pleasant experience. In this video, I'll explain when you should inspect your crawl space, the components of your crawl space, and what you should look for during your inspection. If you're a homeowner and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, ring that bell for more content about home foundation repair and waterproofing. Let's get started. You really want to inspect your crawl spaces in all 4 seasons. How does the crawl space look in the winter? How does it feel? Is it cold? Are you getting cold air into the space? Is it wet or damp? You want to again check it in the spring when you're getting a lot of rain. Is your crawl space flooding or is it staying dry? And again, then in the summer, see how it's drying out. As we get warmer weather, how cool is that space staying? And then again in the winter or the fall, just like spring, when we start to see more moisture in the ground, how is that crawl space holding up? Number 1, you want to look for standing water. This is most of the time going to happen around crawl space columns in the center or around the exterior walls of your crawl space. Then you're going to want to pay attention to the subfloor of your home. So your floor joists, sill plates, bandboard, and subfloor. Look for anything that may be growing on those, such as biological growth, darkening of wood that can indicate wood rot. And lastly, look for cracks around the exterior of your crawl space wall. If you see any of these things, it may be worth your time to have somebody come out and inspect that crawl space. Anything that looks out of the ordinary, such as standing water when maybe it hasn't rained in a few days, or just standing water, period. Any discoloration of wood, soft wood, such as touching it or stabbing it with a pocket knife or a screwdriver, if that goes into the wood, this is something to be concerned about, whether that's your floor joists or the center beam going down through your crawl space, as all of this holds the floor above it and even the second story if you have one of those. So paying attention to anything that looks discolored, cracks in the foundation wall, these are things that should make you pay a lot closer attention. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about inspecting your crawl space? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.